Hi, it's Mints from My Life Mints. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video I will be sharing with you my Sakura 2019 haul from Starbucks Japan, as well as a journal with me session at the end of the video. Here I'm just showing you a gift that I purchased for my friend. They wrapped it nicely and they included an extra gift bag so that I can give it to her that way. I purchased these puddings. I think they're called milk puddings, and if you purchase 3 of them, you get a like a nice little Sakura pouch, and I will show you the pouch right here. The pudding is nice. It's quite sweet, unfortunately, and it had a bit like a hint of Sakura, which was actually really nice. But to be honest with you, the pouch I was a little bit disappointed. But anyways, that's a whole nother story. I absolutely love this tin. This tin is so cute. If you know me, you know that I will most likely try to somehow put like a travel watercolor set in there in the future once all the mints are gone. So I'm really, really excited about that little tin. Then I have this pretty Sakura mug. I've decided to gift it to my sister. Her birthday isn't until later this year, but I thought I would pick it up since these items are limited. So here is a close-up of some of the stuff that I got. I actually purchased a tumbler online because in the previous years uh, a lot of the Sakura products were sold out by the time I got to the Starbucks store, but this year they've limited the quantities. I believe like 1 product per customer, per item, which is awesome, awesome. But I didn't know that until I got to the Starbucks. But anyways, so yeah, here I am doing a journal with me session in my Hobonichi Techo. This is in the avec size or the avec style. I decided to use two pages. I wanted to do like a full spread just because there's a lot of packaging and things that I want to include in the journal with me, in the Hobonichi. I was looking at the Starbucks bag and I was trying my best to recreate the sakura flowers on the Starbucks bag, but as you can see, I did a horrible, horrible job. And I realized later on that I was doing it all wrong. I should be, I don't know how to explain it, but the way that I was painting these flowers, I was doing it all wrong. I later realized that you can just easily make a flower from starting from the tip of the sakura and adding a bit of pressure and then releasing that pressure. I don't know if that's making sense or not, but I ended up doing a journal with me in a different day, on a different day, and I think I show you then. But yes, I was doing it all wrong, and but the thing is, I'm glad that I kept going at it because I wasn't happy with the way I was doing it, but I just kept doing it. Like I kept going at it because I didn't want to just give up and not try anymore. I think that's what I want to say. But yeah, so I'm just trying to add a bit of like sakura flowers and petals on the border there. As you can see, I wasn't really happy with it, but I just let it be. I'm now letting the watercolor dry, and I've actually decided to print out the advertisements from the Starbucks Japan website, and I guess it's just for personal use, so it's not like, I'm making these into stickers and selling them or anything. So I think it's okay. I just decided to write the title Starbucks Sakura Love because I absolutely love this limited season and I really enjoy the sakura flavored items everywhere, and I don't know why it's so early here in Japan. They I guess it's kind of like Christmas. You know how they start like super super early, right when Halloween is finished, all the Christmas stuff starts to appear. When I was back home in Canada, that's what they would start to display them out in stores so quickly, and it's the same thing here. I feel like it's only February, but they've already started to show the Sakura products, and yes, so my no spend is uh, just down the drain. I need to make a video about the no spend and what my exceptions were and what I had in mind with the no spend. Okay, so now I'm rambling. Let me continue on with the journal with me. I am grabbing some washi tape, adding that to the bottom of the page as a border. Just as a heads up, well, you probably already know this, but this is just going to be a huge explosion of pink and yeah, just pink everywhere, these two pages. I'm just grabbing the one marker of the Tombow play color dot that I have. I just have this one marker and I always tell myself that I want to pick up some more. I would like to pick up some more markers to decorate in my journals, but I think with the no spend on my mind, I just kind of hold back and realize I can do fine with just this one marker. Now I'm grabbing some washi tape that has some really cute desserts, these Swiss roll cakes, and I just add that to the top of the page there as a border. It's perfect, and as you can see, I cut out those two images from the internet, from the Starbucks Japan website, and I decided to use the remainder of the paper on the other side. I'm just going to stick it to the back side so it's not just white. I'm trying to use every bit of the pink that I can, and so you'll see how that works a little bit later on. So I'm just finished cutting this up and you'll see that it looks like that. I'm just going to tip it in with some washi tape. But in the meantime, I selected some of these really pretty stickers. A lot of them have these gold foil, and I just kind of laid them out on the page. I haven't really decided what stickers to use yet. I ripped up the milk pudding packaging because it's really pretty, and I wanted to somehow tip that in and use that kind of like a journaling card. My apologies, I know it's a little out of focus, but I tried to add a bit of color again to the Sakura and it really didn't end up working out. So moving along, I just stick down the Frappuccino there to the page. I grab the milk pudding packaging and I use some washi tape to stick it in as a tip-in for some journaling underneath. Here's a question for you. Do you have the Sakura items in your Starbucks? Do you have those kinds of things? Maybe seasonal items? I don't think when I was back home in Canada, I don't think we did have them. I'm not exactly sure though, but I don't believe we did. I used the Tombow play dot to, because it is dual ended, the one side has the dots and then the other side has a tip. I just used that to outline the Frappuccino, and now I'm just sticking down stickers, the Sakura stickers that I have. Because I hated the Sakura flower at the top so much, I covered it up with a flake sticker. It's one from I think it was from Cydia, which is like a dollar store. Maybe Cydia or Daiso, I don't really remember. But I continue to stick down these really cute and pastel sticker flakes, and they're really great for these kinds of things because you can just stick them all down and they don't add too much bulk. Just outlining the Starbucks Sakura Love at the bottom, and I'm grabbing my sticker sheet here. I think I wanted to write the headline down. Sorry, I just noticed, you'll notice that my kids will be in and out of the video. They were playing Legos in front of me, and my daughter would come up to me and show me her creations and would clap, so I just kind of clapping with her. But yes, so I decided to write down the title of the drink. It was actually really nice. It wasn't too sweet. I mean, it looks really sweet, but it wasn't that bad. But they had like a really nice jelly at the bottom. Kind of reminded me of bubble tea, so it was a nice treat. I don't know if I'll drink it again. I usually drink one Starbucks a month or so, something like that. But it was really nice. And yeah, I'm just looking through my sticker flakes, trying to see what else I could add. I'm on this huge pink kick right now, pink and pastels, and it's just consuming me. I'm just in love with the Sakura season and all the products out right now, not just food products, but Even like shampoo bottles here have like a Sakura theme. They have these like limited edition Sakura themed bottles and just household items and things. It's just all over the place and I absolutely love it. It's horrible. It's not good for my no spend. I mean, I haven't purchased anything else, but it's just really, really nice. It's really nice and cheerful, especially for this February month. Alright, so moving forward, I finished journaling on the page there, and I left the left-hand page blank because I'm actually journaling in advance, and I wanted to leave some space for I think it was the 16th and 17th, so I wanted to leave some space there. And here, just some close-ups. And that's it for the journal spread. I loved using 2 pages in my Hobonichi Techo. I think sometimes it's okay to do that, especially when I have all these things that I really want to stick in the journal. Let me know if you do the same thing or not. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.